Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to manage the big, large Docker ROS project. In a ROS project, you may have many uh, nodes, many services, many actions, and you need to write many uh, commands manually in different terminal or different machine. This is not very convenient. This is not very convenient to do that manually. So whether there is a tool to manage to solve this problem to make the ROS product um, developing more easily and deploy the ROS product more convenient. Recent days I found a method that uses Docker Compose that to manage manage the ROS product. On the tutorial of ROS, you can find a tutorial called Getting Started with ROS and Docker Compose. Here, they give us e- uh, simple example to how to use the Docker Compose to build your ROS product. In this example, there are three ROS nodes that running on different container. The first one ROS master in service. In this service or in the container, we run ROS call command. In the Docker node, we publish this message out. In the listener node, we receive subscribe the character message. If everything works well, the result will be echo hello because here the hello is published out through the Docker node or Docker service. You can simply think this is uh, just three ROS nodes. The first one is ROS master. The second one is talker, and the third one is listener. These three nodes is separately running on different machines, different containers. It's similar to run each command in a separate terminal. You can kick off three terminals and in each terminal run a command. Okay, now we try this script. Firstly, you create a text file called docker-compose.yml. In this file, you copy all this here. Okay, now we can start this by using the Docker Compose app. You can see the ROS master is running. It's running the kinetic ROS version. And the listener node prints data hello. This is what this command showing. This message is published by Docker. So the content of this message is hello. The data is hello. In summary, three ROS nodes are bound together into a Docker Compose files. In this way, you can manage very large ROS project. Then let's simply introduce what uh, what's the meaning of this script. The networks specify the network environment used in the Docker. Here he defines three services: one master, Docker, and listener. In each service, you can see they use a Docker image. Here, in this example, all the three services use the same image, ROS core, ROS core, ROS core. Also, you can use a different image. You need to specify what command you want to run in each node or in each ROS service, not ROS, Docker service. Here, in the first service, Docker service is run ROS core. Then in the Docker is depending on the ROS manager because the master is specified uh, as, as the ROS master here. And also the listener also uses the ROS master as the master node. And each container you can specify different host name. And you can run different commands on each Docker service. Both the Docker and listener nodes use the same networks, ROS, that are defined here. Driver. That's all for today. Today we introduce how to manage the larger ROS product. Use a simple Docker file, Docker compose file. This is the easiest way I found by now to manage large ROS projects. Hopefully this can help you. Thank you.